Welcome back, everyone. Um, I'm Johnny. This is Coronado Woodsmith Co. And today we're going to be finishing up part two of the board I was making out of scrap. Um, it's coming out pretty well. It's going to be pretty thin, but it's okay. It's going to be used for household stuff. So it should be should be fine. It's going to be great because then you can kind of tuck it away somewhere easier to put away. Won't be so big. It's kind of windy today, so if you hear the wind, sorry about that. But so all the gluing's done. Got it playing last time. We're gonna go to the miter saw. We're gonna cut it straight on both ends and start the drum sanding process and hand sanding process. So we'll get right into it. Okay, so we finished with the cutting. I used the miter saw to cut it straight on the sides. Did the drum sander. The drum sander we had at I think it was 60 grit, and then I did a round over with my router here. So we did like a round over groove on there. And now we're gonna hit it with the I'm gonna use the 150. Last time when I did a video, we did a refinish and I did 120, but I'm gonna use 150 and then hit it with the 220 at the end and kind of clean it up and get it all nice and sanded. But it's starting to look really good. All right, let's get to that one. Okay, so finished all the sanding. Now I'm gonna hit it with some of this denatured alcohol. This is good for just cleaning it up, the dust, or the sand dust, and also good for some of these, I guess, exotic pieces like Paduke, the Purple Heart. Some of this stuff has oil in them, and so using the denatured alcohol will help kind of uh, clean clean that up. But what we have in here is, like I said, this is all scrap, but we got some cherry, walnuts, some Padukes there, yellow heart, which is what this is, a couple pieces of maple, and this purple heart right there. So this is going to look nice after we clean it up. All right. Okay, so we've used the denatured alcohol, and then now we're going to put some of this walrus oil cutting board. I use this a lot. So this is going to be great. It's going to, sorry for the wind, guys, but again, this is going to make Look at that. Look at that. Man, that really does bring out the colors. This oil, just any oil really, but once you put the oil on there, look at that. That looks amazing. So much here. I need to put a little bit more. And it's okay to be generous with this. Put plenty of it. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, I'm gonna get a rag just to kind of take some of this excess off. Look at that. Look how that Purdue pops, that red out there. Kind of like a reddish orange color. Doesn't that look amazing? So this is going to be a nice little piece. Like I said, it's a little smaller, a little thinner than I wanted to go, but again, it's just scrap. So it's perfect. Make something like this out of scrap. You have extra wood. But man, what do y'all think? Does that look amazing or what? All right, we're done here. Man, this thing came out really, really good. I hope you guys liked the video. Um, Thank you for joining. Like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you.